Hey guys, so what we're going to do here is work on completing the square for parabolas. Okay, so we're just going to go and straight. Remember, our whole goal is to get into this format. Something squared equals 4p times something. So this is our end goal here. Okay, so we're going to do a problem. So let's look at x squared minus 12x plus y plus 30 equals 0. Okay, so first step was we got to get our something squares by itself, and then we're going to subtract y and 30 to the other side. Okay, so we get x squared minus 12x, and leave some space, equals negative y minus 30. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this negative 12, make sure you pick up that negative sign. Okay, we get negative 6. And then we're going to take negative 6 and we're going to square it. We get 36. So what we're going to do is add 36 here and 36 here. Oops, I'm trying to, oh, here we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is what I like to call fake factor. You're going to take this and we're going to plop it right in here. So minus 6 and square it equals negative y. So we're going to come back up here. Oops, ran over them. Okay, so we're going to take and add those together and we get plus 6. Okay, now we can't have anything in front of our y, even our x. Okay, so something squared equals, so we're going to factor a negative out. So I get y minus 6. Okay, and we've gotten that something squared equals 4p equals that. Okay, so let's do a different one. Okay, let's try a negative x squared minus 14x plus 3y minus 37 equals 0. So now we have something in front of our x squared, and we can't have that. So we're going to take and divide everything by negative 1. Okay, and then we get x squared plus 14x minus 3y plus 37 equals 0. Okay, now we can pick up like we did in that last problem. We're going to take and add y over and subtract 37. Okay. Okay, so now we have x squared plus 14, leave some space, equals 3y minus 37. Okay, so take your 14 and divide it by 2, and we get 7. And then you're going to take and square your 7 to get 49. So we're going to add 49 to both sides. Okay, let me roll this down. Okay, now comes that fake factor. 7 is a positive, so we're going to put in a plus 7 squared. And then 3y, add these together, I get plus 12. Again, we have something in front of our y, so we can't have that. So what we're going to do is factor that 3 out. So we're going to take a 3 out of everything. So here, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, and that is it. Okay, guys, and that is it. Okay, let's try one more. Let's step up our fun. Let's try a negative 3y squared plus x plus 54y minus 239 equals 0. Okay. Oops, why won't that 3 come through? There we go. Okay, so you see we have a number in front of y. So what we're going to do is divide everything by negative 3. Okay, by doing this, we get our squared term without a number in front. Now, I know it's going to look scary right now. We're going to be dealing with some fractions, but promise me it will get prettier as we get through. So that was what, 239 over 3 equals 0. Okay. So like everything else, I'm going to add x over 3 over and subtract 239 over 3. Okay. So x over 3 minus 239 over 3. Okay. So now we're going to have y squared. I forgot to make my line. Okay, so we're going to have y squared minus 18y equals x over 3 minus 239 over 3. Okay, so here we go. Negative 18, we are going to divide it by 2. Okay, and we get negative 9, and then we're going to take negative 9 and square it. We get 81. So I'm going to add 81 here and add 81 here. Faux factor. I know some of y'all are freaking out. It's just a y. It's okay. Squared equals x over 3. Now I put negative 239 over 3 plus 81 into the calculator and hit math, enter, enter, and it gave me a plus 4/3. Now I know it looks really scary. I promise you it's really not that hard. Okay, we do need to factor out. Notice they're all being divided by 3. So dividing by 3 and multiplying by 1/3 are the same thing. And when I do that, I get plus 4. Okay, I hope this has helped. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.